Welcome to this live demo of my automated trading bot on the Deriv platform. Watch closely as the bot runs an over-under strategy, buying on every tick. With each tick, a trade is placed. As soon as the tick is completed, the result is instant, either a profit or a loss. If a trade ends in loss, the bot automatically adjusts the next trade amount to recover, and then some. This smart risk management helps ensure consistent recovery and steady gains. In this short 2-minute run, the bot has already made $7 in profit completely hand-free. Every move is fast, calculated, and fully automated. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, this shows the power of algorithmic trading. Let the bot do the work and watch your profits grow. Download Telegram bot, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bot updates and tutorials.